Sine theta is 0.239. So theta is then equals to r cos sine from 0.239, or you can also write sine to the power of -1, 0.239. So you get your calculator. In some mobile phone, you also have that. So I'm going to take my calculator and take an r cos sine to the power of -1. Yes, I have it. So I have 0.239 close bracket is equals with, have you found it? Your calculator? Can you try? Can you try?
I got 13.83.
Yes, 13.83. So you understand now? Yeah. The same thing if you have the same thing if you have cosines. If you have cosines, theta equals to 0.239. So you got the same method of having the theta by r cosines from 0. Okay. So that's the first question. Second question is, light source at 0 at O, a light source at O. Should I do number 2 or number 3?
Number 3, sir.
Number 3. Okay. I have here a circle. So this is a circle, and then I have a right angle triangle. I have a right angle triangle that goes like this. It's a tangent line. It's a tangent line, and you have a line. Oh, it passes through 0. Okay, so then here passes through 0. And anything else can be erased. Here can also be erased. And then we have this right angle triangle to be drawn completely. So we have this. Now, if it is given that it is a tangent, then the angle is 90 degrees. Here is not given that it is a tangent, but every line that has a 90-degree angle is always called a tangent line. So remember, if you have a questions and the line is said or is to be called a tangent line, then the angle you have there is 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay, now the question is, the diagram shows a circle, center O, this is here. The center is called center O. A and B are points on the circle. A and B are points on the circle. A and B are points on the circle such that angle OAT is 90 degrees. Angle OAT is 90 degrees. And OBT, a straight line. Now, given also OA or the radius or OA is equals to 10 centimeter. And BT is equals to dt equals to 7 centimeter. OA 10 centimeter, dt 7 centimeter. Now find the length of AT. Now the question is the length of AT. Now, what is AT then? AT is this line, correct? This is the line AT, which is ours. Now, what do we have? We have here, and then we have this angle, 90 degrees. And then we have also here 7 centimeter. Now, if this is 7 centimeter and this OB is also the same radius, just like OA, so it will be 10 centimeter. Now, if I may draw it again, basically it's just like this. Simply is the right angle triangle with the length given here. The length is 17 centimeter. Here's the questions A, B, not known, and let me call it an X, which is us. And then we have also here, which is 10 centimeter. Now, what do you think? How can we find the length AT? How can we find the length AT if we have a right angle triangle? In a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, you can always find one of the sides. If the two other sides are known, you can always find the last or the third side by using what, Nicholas?
Sine.
So, no, you have this side known. No, you have this side and this side and this side, and a right angle triangle. You just need to find the x. Certainly, you can also have sine, cosine, and tangent if one of the angle is known. However, we do not know this angle and we do not know this angle, only 90 degrees. So it's hard for us to get it. So what can we apply? Have you known this principle? Do you know this theorem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, let's do it. Pythagorean theorem. According to the Pythagorean theorem, the longest line, which is the hypotenuse square, will be the sum of all the squared of OAT. So OA plus AT. Understand? OA plus AT. OA plus AT. Now, hypotenuse square is 70 squared. OA is 10 squared. AT is x squared. So then x squared equals to 17 squared minus 10 squared, which is 17 squared minus 10 squared equals with, let's put it in calculator. Seventeen squared minus 10 squared, 189. So get the x, please.
Square it.
Square it. Square root of 189. 13.74. Understand, brother?
Yes,
You
sir.
get it? Yes. Now, the next question is, after you get the side using Pythagorean and in a place, then we can find the next questions, answer the next questions, which is asking you the angle. Which angle is it? BTA. Angle BTA. Angle BTA. B is here. B is somewhere here. B T A. Angle B T A. Angle B T A. Now, how do you get the angle BTA?
You
Let's
use
review.
Sohcahtoa.
You use what?
Sohcahtoa.
That's right. In order to get it, you use Sohcahtoa. Sohcahtoa. This time, you are free to choose each on and any of this Sohcahtoa because you know the opposite. The opposite is 10 centimeter. The opposite to this angle is 10 centimeter in front of it, 10 centimeter. Understand? And you are also free. You're also free to use cha because you know adjacent, you know hypotenuse. It's free to choose also toa because you know opposite, you know adjacent. Which one do you want?
I used sine, sir.
Sine. Okay, sine of this. Let me call it as an alpha. Sine alpha angle equals with the opposite of this angle divided by the hypotenuse. The opposite is 10. The hypotenuse is 17. Therefore, alpha is equals to r cos sine from 10 to 17. 10 over 17. That's correct. R cosine r cosine 10 over 17. 36.03 degree. 36.03 degree. Do you understand, brother?
Sir.
Yes? Any
When
questions?
I tried using Toa and I got 46.74. Oh, never mind, sir. Sorry.
Oh, you mistakenly punched your calculator there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, TOA means arcus tangent. Yeah, then you have to apply arcus tangent. I'm going to stop the recording and we can continue.